making yeast dough for pizza. We need 200 milliliters of milk. We've warmed it up to room temperature. Let's add a teaspoon of sugar. The 5 milligrams of dry yeast. We leave this mass for about 15 minutes so our yeast can rise. While our yeast is rising, we need to beat 2 eggs a little separately. Half a teaspoon of salt. And 2 tablespoons Olivier Salad. And we beat it all together. Here we see it. Our foam has risen. Now we need to mix this mixture with our eggs. So we mix it together. We mixed it well and now we add the flour. Flour. We add about half a kilo for sure. Just enough so that the dough comes together and doesn't stick to the fruits. Take your time and proceed gradually. It's often more beneficial to add additional elements or components slowly and carefully, ensuring that everything is done correctly and thoroughly. It's still too sticky, so we add more flour. Soon we'll be kneading it by hand. We boiled our dough from a bowl and we roll it out on a flat surface. More precisely, we add more flour to the mixture so that it doesn't stick. Here we are. We should end up with a dough that is smooth, soft and elastic and doesn't stick to our hands, achieving the right consistency. Back into the bowl. We cover it with a towel. We place it in a warm spot for half an hour. Our dough is rising. We see how it has already risen. And now I'm going to use it. I'm going to roll out the dough for the pizza now. A thin layer for the pizza. There will be some left over for the dough. I also make sausages from this dough. The dough is also dough. It turns out to be tasteless, but it rises well in the oven if you make sausages in dough, and it also turns out delicious. Now I'll make pizza. I'll show you how it will turn out. And here I've already rolled out the dough. And you see, with a layer like this, I'm making it a bit thinner. I placed it on the baking sheet. Now I'm going to add the filling. Now we're going to spread the sauce made of ketchup and mayonnaise. Sausage, fried mushrooms, tomatoes, and cheese on top. Here I am with the pizza. Now I'm going to take everything to the car and show you when it's ready. Well, that's it. Half an hour and the pizza is ready. It's ready. The dough, here it is. It's well cooked. It will be small, since the dough is yeast-based. Golden brown. Everything is great. Everyone enjoy your meal, making this kind of dough.